I got an amazing lead from someone who watches my video about Tom Holland playing the character of Nathan Drake in the upcoming movie Uncharted, which is based off of the video game, which I love the Uncharted series. I've played all of them, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is incredible. Tom Holland is gonna be playing Nathan Drake, and there's only been like 1 or 2 leaked photos of his character, and I believe the one that I saw was real, which is this one right here, which you can see. And what I want to do is break down that haircut from what it looks like, and I happen to find a mannequin right here that I think is very, very close to Tom Holland's hairstyle as Nathan Drake, so let's break it down. So in the photo, it looked like he had it brushed over this way, and there were a couple of pieces that were just kind of coming down right over here, as you can see. And that could be, I mean, it looked like he was in like a hardcore action shot where he was just standing and, you know, who knows what he was doing before that or what scene, but it looked like he was doing something that required a lot of action, so his hair was probably a little more, you know, messed up or who knows. But it looked like it was, you know, kind of slicked back, definitely parted over this way. The sides are somewhat tapered, nothing too crazy, so I would say maybe like a number 4 guard or maybe number 3 guard throughout the sides and the back, and then it is all blended in to where it's about, I'd say, 2.5 to 3 inches all throughout this area. And then as we get to the top, I think it's probably about 5 inches long, because you could see it in the photo I showed before, his hair was kind of slicked over. And if these pieces are coming down to where they're hitting about here, then that means there's some length on top. And then on this side, it's all layered, right? It's all layered and brushed back. So the same thing on this side and through here, but because of that length that we have up here, it all just kind of flows into that one side, right? And in the back here we have it. So again, it's a shorter to longer shape where same thing, about number 3 or an inch or so on the back here, and then it all tapers and blends up into the length starting right around this area, right, and then connects into the top. So it's got some layers in it. It's, you know, a somewhat traditional haircut, so it's nothing out of the ordinary. It's just, you know, I guess a lot of times when people see characters or actors with a little bit of length on the top of their hair, they like that because it's something different, right? It's not just shaved, or it's not, you know, a skin tight fade. It's just something that I think is a bit more appealing and wearable to a lot of people. It also comes down to the styling, right? So it's not like a super severe part right in through here, and you can get that simply by just either raking your hands back this way instead of using a comb, because anytime you use a comb, it creates a really harsh separation, whereas if you use your fingers to style it like this, or a wide tooth comb or something, it really helps kind of break it up. And you can see it's going on a little bit of an angle right into here, and that's kind of what it looks like for Tom's hair, and that's why it looks so distinct and not such a harsh, solid parting. And how do you get this style? I mean, you blow dry it. You can get this look with water. You know, I used Tidal Wave to kind of brush this into place. Also, Shadow is a great product for stuff like this. My Crafted Blow Dry Cream is a great product for something like this. But overall, I think this is the look. Now, Nathan Drake's hair is much shorter, I know, as in the later series, which I've done tutorials of. Just search Uncharted, TheSalonGuy on YouTube, and you'll see the videos that I've done. But aside from that, I think this is going to be the look, and I know I'm going to be getting a lot of requests for it, so thank you to the individual who sent me the lead on this. I really appreciate it, and I hope you found this video helpful. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with TheSalonGuy.